Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in again today. So today's video is unboxing the Birchbox for February 2018. So this month was all about the decades, and there were 3 decades box designs that you could choose, 70s, 80s and 90s. So I went for the 90s box just simply because I really like the look of it. It reminds me of the opening to Saved by the Bell. Does anybody remember Saved by the Bell? I used to love it when I was a kid. So yeah, so I went for the 90s box. So I'm not entirely sure whether the products inside the box are supposed to represent the decade that you chose, but I wasn't too bothered, to be honest. I quite like looks from all of those decades. But yeah, the 90s was my decade for growing up and experimenting and things like that. So I'm pretty sure like the 90s was all about experiments and things, so especially when it comes to makeup. So let's open this bad boy and have a look what's inside. So here is the pamphlet thing that came with this month's box. So it's Beauty Through the Decades, True Beauty is Timeless. And inside it has the details of all the products. So the first one I pulled out was this Sebum Ed antibacterial cleansing foam for impure and acne prone skin. So I haven't really got acne prone skin, but when I get a breakout, they are bad breakouts. So this is going to come in really, really handy. So this says that it isn't a full-size product. However, it's quite large, I think, and it will last me quite a while. So the RRP price of this is $7.99. So yeah, can never get too much stuff for your face. So the next product that I've pulled out, I'm quite excited about because I've heard of Percy Reid and I've heard that it's really, really good, and I've never ever tried it. So I'm really excited to try this. So this is, quite frankly, Flawless Finishing Polish. The RRP price of this is £10, and of course this is just a sample size. So this just says, for the directions, use a pea-sized amount on hair to smooth, control or groom unruly hair. Use a little more to add definition and hold. So yeah, I'm quite excited to use that. And it says that it's not greasy, and it uses sunflower wax for a gentle injection of moisture, which will be really, really good because my hair does get very greasy very quickly because it's so thin. So yeah, really excited about that. And I've had a quick whiff as well and it smells amazing. So next item is this Bumble and Bumble thickening spray. Now I love thickening pre-stylers, so this is right up my street. I've never used Bumble and Bumble before, but I do have a few thickening sprays. So literally you just spray this into damp hair, run it through, I normally comb it, and then just blow dry as normal. And yeah, it just gives you a lot more volume and texture to your hair. So this RRP's at £10, which isn't too bad at all actually for a good thickening spray. So yeah, looking forward to using that. So the next item is this Model Co blush. Now this actually is a full size item and the RRP of this is £14. So there you go, just from this alone, that is over the value of the box. So yeah, apparently this is relevant to the decade that I picked, to the 90s. So it says, back in the 1990s, Model Co founder and CEO Shelley Sullivan was running her own model and talent agency, learning what women really wanted in their makeup bags. And obviously she came up with these. So this is in the shade Just Peachy, which from the sound of the colour is again right up my street because I tend to go for peachy pinks to suit my colouring. But on camera and in person, it looks a lot more rosy than I would actually go for. So I'm not entirely sure whether I will actually use that or not. But if not, that's another thing to go in the giveaway. And the last item for this month is the Beauty Crop Trio Eyeshadow. This is also a full-size product. It RRPs at £7, and this is a Birchbox exclusive, so you can only get this at Birchbox. It's actually really, really nice. So you've got the matte brown down there, and then you've got the two shimmer on the top. Really, really nice colours. You could get a really, really good look out of that. And this is in the shade Love You So Latte. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with that. And again, in the leaflet, it says that this is also relevant to the decade that I picked. And it says there was one colour on everyone's eyes in the 90s, and it was brown. Not sure if that's just a 90s thing, because I still wear a lot of brown now. There we are then, peeps. That's everything that I got in my February 2018 Birchbox. If you like the video, please give me a massive thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to win the giveaway that I'm going to be doing of Birchbox products at the end of the year in December 2018. So yeah, I really do hope that you like this, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.